we studied comparison between elements and compounds. As we know that elements and compounds are pure substances, they have fixed composition. And now we are going to study impure substances, also known as mixture, and they do not have fixed composition. Okay, so mixture. In general, we mix two or more substances and we call this is a mixture. As well as we add sugar in tea as per our need. We add sugar in milk as per our need. And we said this is a mixture. Mixture of sugar and milk, mixture of sugar and water, mixture of sugar and tea. Okay, so on. ऐसे हम बहुत सारे मिक्सचर प्रिपेयर करते हैं अपनी डेली लाइफ में. ओके, सो व्हाट इज मिक्सचर? A mixture is a form of matter in which two or more pure substances, elements and compounds are physically mixed in any proportion. Okay, so mixture क्या है? Is a form of matter. मैटर की एक फॉर्म है in which जिसमें two or more pure substances, जिसमें two or more pure substances physically mixed in any proportion. As example, air is a mixture of various gases. Gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen in various proportion. As we know that percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere is 78%, oxygen is present in 21% and percentage of carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Okay, and so on. तो जितने भी गैसेस हैं उनका क्या है, वेरियस प्रोपोर्शन में वो प्रेजेंट है इन एयर, एंड एयर इज अ मिक्सचर. एंड ऑल्सो आवर बॉडी फ्लूइड is also a type of mixture, such as blood is a mixture of various corpuscles and serum. Okay, so जो blood है वो भी mixture है of various corpuscles and serum का. Ink is a mixture of carbon and other chemical substances, and also milk is a mixture. Milk is a mixture of milk and water. Okay, so there are various mixtures. So moving on the types of mixture. So types of mixture, there are two types of mixture. Firstly, homogeneous mixture, and secondly heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, so there are two types of mixtures, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. Now moving to the homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture we cannot differentiate between two components as they are completely mixed with one another. Okay, so इन होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर हम कंपोनेंट्स को डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते हैं एज दे आर कंप्लीटली मिक्स्ड विद वन अनदर, बिकॉज वो एक दूसरे के साथ कंप्लीटली मिक्स्ड अप होते हैं. देन इफ वी केम टू डिफाइन होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर, then homogeneous mixture can be defined as a mixture in which substances are mixed uniformly with one another in such a way that there is no boundary of separation. Okay, so homogeneous mixture कैसे मिक्सचर है जिनमें कंपोनेंट को डिफरेंशिएट नहीं किया जा सकता है और वहां पे कोई भी विजिबल बाउंड्री ऑफ सेपरेशन नहीं होती है. ओके, देन these type of mixture in which substances are uniformly mixed with one another in such a way that there is no visible boundary of separation are known as homogeneous mixtures. And examples of homogeneous mixtures are air, as air is a mixture of various gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, methane and many other gases. And the another example is water and alcohol is an example of homogeneous mixture, and natural gases are examples of homogeneous mixture, and many other are example of homogeneous mixture, those mixture in which substances mixed with one another uniformly throughout the mixture in a way that there is no boundary of separation. Okay, so this is the homogeneous mixture. Moving on, heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, we can easily differentiate between components of mixtures, as we can differentiate pulses from rice, we can differentiate sand from water. Okay, so these are example of heterogeneous mixture. Then if we have to define heterogeneous mixture, then heterogeneous mixtures can be defined as a mixture in which substances are most uniformly mixed with one another and have a boundary of separation. Okay, so ऐसे mixtures जिनके components को easily differentiate किया जा सकता है and they have a boundary of separation, these are known as heterogeneous mixtures. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures are oil and water is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Chalk in water is an example of heterogeneous mixture, and kerosene in water and many more. These are example of heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. There are few parameters. With the help of these parameters, we can differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so the first one parameter is composition. As we know that in homogeneous mixture, the composition is uniform throughout. Okay, so mixture with uniform composition are called homogeneous mixture throughout. Okay, so mixture with uniform composition throughout are called homogeneous mixture. And heterogeneous mixture with non-uniform composition. Non-uniform composition are called heterogeneous mixture, जिसमें मिक्सचर में जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं उनका यूनिफॉर्मली जिसमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं होगा कंपोनेंट्स का. ओके, सो मूविंग टू द अदर पैरामीटर, द सेकंड वन, बाउंड्री. So, homogeneous mixture exists in one phase. Okay, as we know that there is no boundary between components. We cannot differentiate components of mixture as they completely mixed with one another, as we know from the definition of homogeneous mixture. Okay, so homogeneous mixture exists in one phase, that means there is no boundary of separation between components. And for heterogeneous mixture, it exists in distinct phase. Distinct phase. That means boundary of separation between components. boundary of separation between components. Then the last one parameter is physical state. Homogeneous mixture exists in all three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. And heterogeneous mixture, it can also exist in all the three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Okay, so homogeneous mixture exists in solid state as alloys of different metals, as alloys is mixture of different metal, and it is an example of homogeneous mixture. Okay, and in liquid, alcohol in water is an example of homogeneous mixture in liquid state, and in gaseous form, air is an example of homogeneous mixture, as air consists of different gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide and many other gases. Okay. Now moving to the heterogeneous mixture. In solid state, example of heterogeneous mixture which exists in solid state is gemstones. Gemstones. And in liquid state, milk is an example of heterogeneous mixture. And in the gaseous state, air with dust particle. Air with dust particles is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Okay. So moving to the characteristics of mixtures, as mixture shows various characteristics. The first one characteristics of mixture is mixture have variable composition. That is, they have different ratios of components. For example, we can add sugar in water or sugar in tea or sugar in milk as per our need. And their ratio is different in different mixtures. And we add these components as per our need. So we can say that mixture have variable composition. Okay. Then moving to the another characteristic, the formation of mixtures is a physical change. So their components retain their original properties. For example, we can add rice and pulses. This is a mixture, and in this mixture, this is a physical change. Physical change, and in this physical change, the components retain their original properties. Okay. Then moving to the third one characteristic, mixture may be heterogeneous and homogeneous in nature. So मिक्सचर क्या क्या हो सकते हैं, या होमोजेनियस होंगे या हेट्रोजेनियस होंगे. As we learned before that there are two types of mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, as well as we learn example also. Okay, so moving to the another characteristic, components of mixture can be separated by physical methods. Okay, so जो मिक्सचर के कंपोनेंट्स हैं उनको फिजिकल मेथड से सेपरेट किया जा सकता है. फिजिकल मेथड सच एज फिल्टरेशन, डिकेंटेशन, डिस्टिलेशन etc. Okay, so by using these methods we can separate components of mixtures. Okay, then moving to the fifth one characteristics, preparation of mixtures involves very little heat change. In preparation of mixture, the heat change is very little. बहुत कम heat change होता है in preparation of mixtures. और we can say अगर हमें prepare करना है mixture of fruit juices, then there is very little heat change in the preparation of fruit juice mixture. Okay. Then moving to the another characteristics, the mixture do not have fixed melting and boiling point, as they have their components have different proportion, because उनका जो proportion है mixture के components का वो different होता है. So mixture do not have फिक्स्ड मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, जिसकी वजह से मिक्सचर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट और मेल्टिंग पॉइंट फिक्स नहीं होता है. ओके, देन मूविंग टू द लास्ट वन, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. Mixture shows properties of all its constituents. As we know that the preparation of mixture is a physical change and their components retain their properties, original properties after formation of mixture. So mixtures property shows properties of all its constituents. तो जिसकी वजह से mixture के जो कॉन्स्टेंट जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स हैं उन सब की प्रॉपर्टीज मिक्सचर में शो होती है. ओके, सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मिक्सचर्स एंड टुडे वी डिस्कस्ड व्हाट इज मिक्सचर, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ मिक्सचर, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture as well, and also characteristics of mixtures. So that's all for today. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you.